Are you having problems with your TikTok hashtags not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this is the perfect video for you. So the first step is going to be for us to go into our TikTok app and then come to your profile right here. Now on your profile, then what you're going to do is to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you get these options right here. Now what I'm going to do is to click on settings and privacy. Then in here, we're going to scroll down and then we're going to click on report a problem. I did the exact same thing, by the way, that I'm going to show you right now because my hashtags didn't work before this, and I did this one thing I'm going to show you, and after that actually my hashtag starts working again. Now you're going to scroll all the way down in here and then click on submit a report. So click on submit a report and then you should be taken to this page right here. As you can see now on this page, then you're going to write exactly like this now to the TikTok support. My hashtags is not working and I need this to be fixed. It's very important for my TikTok user experience. So you need to write exactly like this now to them. My hashtag is not working and I need this, or my hashtags is not working and I need this to be fixed. It's very important for my TikTok user experience. Then click on submit. Then what you're going to do is to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the TikTok support to see this. And then after you have seen this, then they will reply back to you. And after that, this problem should hopefully be solved for you. So this is basically exactly how to fix this issue.